Thoban, a slum, a rotting corpse with perfume sprinkled on it. The goblin plague has ripped this place a new butthole. Now it's just a wet, stinking shanty town for scumbags. This vessel belongs to Ambassador Arsini. It's about the only thing still in working condition in Thoban since the Green Plague. I wonder what goodies are inside that thing. But for now, let's focus on me getting laid. Paid. I always forget how the Green Plague has ravaged this part of Thoban. This town was a nice place before the plague got a grip on it. This district used to be as busy as a whorehouse on payday.
See you next time, Styx.
What? You forget something? Carnage Squad.
I've got a deal for you, Goblin.
My name is Styx, human.
So you speak our tongue.
Yeah, and I can also cut yours out.
You speak to Captain Heledrin with respect.
What's the deal, Captain?
I want you to steal an ambassador's scepter. There'll be 10 times more if you help me, Styx.
10 times, huh? The ambassador must be snug up there in his flying palace. So either I gotta learn how to fly, or I gotta find a way to get on board the airship that just arrived. Then I'll just have to sit tight until it... Well, this is where the shitstorm begins. A shitstorm for anyone who gets in my way. The architecture of this town, what is that? Early fucked up period? I can almost believe that it was all designed to make my job easier. No wonder that the goblin plague is so devastating.
We realized it a bit too late. A customer ate one of the fruits.
He threw his guts up.
Yeah, puked up everything he had, and then he died. Sad end. Well,
I may climb on roofs and scale walls, but you won't catch me wearing a stupid white tabard with a hoodie. Loading bridge is lifted. Can't get into the airship that way then. There's gotta be another way to get on board.
Where's the airship heading?
We're loading it with supplies for Ambassador
This
Arsini.
chest. That's exactly what I need. I just gotta slip inside, and they'll ship me with the rest of the goods. I might even have time to take a nap while I'm on Princess's coin.
What is it?
Show yourself!
Who goes there? Show yourself.
That Heledrin better not have been lying, or she's gonna end up in a box. But hers will be buried in the mud. Where's that scepter? Good. Now I just gotta wait for the pilot to hear about the new flight plan. Looks like I'm pretty good at counterfeiting. Hurry and go tell your master. I'm waiting.
It's come through, sir. We have orders to approach the convoy.
Okay, let's go.
That's it. We're moving. I'm coming for you, RCD. I love it when a plan comes together. Boom! Right on target. Then again, you'd have to be as blind as a Roby to miss a target of that size. Wow, what a view. It's in these moments of wonder that we realize how great Mother Nature is and how small we are. Although in my case, there is no shortness of opportunities to appreciate my shortness. See what I did there? That's a good one. So now what? I'm gonna crash in singing happy birthday? Sneaking into the little trapdoor above the entrance is more my style.
Get out.
As you wish, sir.
You seem to have grown even smaller, little mouse.
The hell with you and your bullshit magic.
A talking goblin, eh?
Yeah, I can talk. Fuck you. Can you change into a sandwich? I skipped lunch.
Your resistance is remarkable. Nothing personal. Oh, so you're using amber, are you? In fact, it is personal.
What's going on?
A goblin! He stole the scepter!
Alarm! Alarm!
I will find you, and I'll shove that scepter where the sun don't shine. Shape-shifting elf and a thief. Well, I hope that Heledrin will believe this.